Hey guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub. And today's our most important SQL question, delete versus truncate command. So, in particularly, the question will be asked, what is the difference between delete and truncate? So, you can see delete row by row removal, truncate bulk removal. Delete can use where clause, truncate cannot filter rows. Delete slower while truncate is faster. So explanation, delete is DML, can be rolled back. Truncate is DDL, usually irreversible. When to use? Use delete when you need control, truncate when clearing all the data. So clear the confusion? Like, share and subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys.